Yo, what up guys? Welcome back to Front Heat. Bringing you a couple little birria tacos from the other day, Cinco de Mayo. I ate 8 of them that day. But for today's leftovers, I got 2. And then a burrito I'm gonna do. Not for you guys, but I'll do it later. Maybe I'll be back to the burrito. But yeah, I don't have much burria experience in my life. But I have had it a few times. But never really recognized how awesome it is because it takes some time to make. You get this consommé sauce, or whatever you want to call it. It looks like it's a lot of sauce or something, but it doesn't taste that way. Hooked it up. Kathy hooked these up like an hour ago and I just reheated it and put onion and cilantro on there and a little splooge of guacamole. Put it over the fire and heat it up a little more, you know, and here we are eating it right now. Guys, this is so money, dude. So money. I think it takes like 4 to 5 hours to make the sauce. And then it's gotta like braise in the oven, you know, in like crock pot, or do it in a crock pot, you know. But yeah, when you braise it, probably do it in a little, I don't know what you call it, but it'd be the crock pot without the friggin' cord to the wall, you know? It's like just a big pot, like a cast iron pot or whatever you got, you know? Or you can even do it in a little pot on the stovetop, just have it on low for a good couple hours. I've done that before. Not with beef, but you know, other stuff like pork or lamb. But I've never done the beef on my own. Mexican style or nothing like that. I've never made a pot roast, you know. And my dad's raised cows before. Like he's had a few cows at a time out there before. He got like 20 acres. But I've never done that shit on my own. But I think my dad did burrito one time I was up there. But anyway, burrito tacos, burritos. so freaking good. Unbelievable. Also did a burrito. Burritos under there. There's cilantro, onions, cheese, and some of that consomme sauce, and a little bit of guacamole. Yeah, check this out. Watch me eat it. Yeah, so just wrapping it up. Like you would a burrito. This isn't a like legit burrito. Compared to Chipotle, it's like a third of the size. There you go. One of the regular size tortillas for burritos, I guess, or tortilla on the side. No kind of stuff. It's not a huge one. Pretty legit. Pretty flippin' legit. I already drank it, but dandelion tea. These little dandelions are growing everywhere outside. I just picked a few earlier, put it in some hot water, let it steep for like an hour or whatever. I tried it, it's not that bad. It's, you know, they said it'd be bitter, or it could be something there, but fine. Good stuff. Totally good for you. I've never done anything like that, so want to try that and bring that to you today. Alright. Thanks for coming back. Please smash that like and subscribe button. Please share with the world all that